Are you looking for the best video editing app without watermarks and fully unlocked? If so, then this video is for you. Hi guys, welcome back to Crizzy Life YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you the steps on how to download Kinemaster No Watermarks fully unlocked. First step is you go to Google Chrome or any browser. Then just type digit bin and enter. Then click digit bin. Pag yan ang lumabas, just click the search button and then type Kinemaster full APK and then enter. Then, hintayin lang po natin guys. Medyo mahina ang net natin ngayon. Wait until lumabas yung sinearch natin. After that, just click this Kinemaster MOD APK download no watermark fully unlocked. And then just scroll down and go to download page. So, yung naka-red, go to download page. Yan po ang i-click mo. Scroll down again until you find this Kinemaster Pro Mod 4.14.4 XXXX yung 77 MB latest. Click mo lang yan. And ito na ang hinihintay mo. Just click the download and then wait until ma-download siya. Pagkatapos niyan, i-install mo. And then, makikita mo na si Kinemaster app sa iyong phone. By the way guys, I'm using my mobile phone in downloading this video editing app. Here's now the Kinemaster app. Okay, open it. At ito yung makikita mo. Just go to the plus sign. Yung nasa circle, may plus na nakalagay. Yan ang i-click mo. And then choose 16:9. Then click media to add video that you want to edit. Pag nahanap mo na ang video na gusto mong i-edit, i-click mo lang ito at ito na ang makikita mo. slide to the left and slide to the right lang kapag gusto mong i-move ang video. Kung gusto mong i-cut ang iyong video, just click it until mag-yellow siya and then click the scissor sign and choose split at playhead. And click the plus sign to add transition effect. Choose kung ano ang gusto mong transition effect and then click mo lang siya. And don't forget to click the checkmark sign sa taas. Okay, i-play mo siya at makikita mo na may transition effect na siya. At kung gusto mong tanggalin o palakasin ang sound ng iyong video, i-click mo muna yung video until mag-yellow siya and then click this symbol. To write text, just go to layer and click text. And then you can now write whatever you want to write. Then click OK. To change the style of the text, just click this. And this. And to change the color of the text, just click this. At kung gusto nyong lagyan ng text outline, just follow this. Kung gusto nyo i-edit ang text, sundin nyo lang to. At kung gusto nyo lagyan ng animation, just choose here. To add sound effects or music, just go to Audio. And kung gusto nyong i-cut ang music or yung sound effects, just click it and find Trim. Click mo lang to if you want to delete. Kung gusto mo pang lagyan ng emoticon, just go to Layer and click Overlay. Pumili ka lang kung ano ang gusto mong ilagay. Kung gusto mong i-encircle ang text or lagyan mo ng arrow, just go to Layer and click Handwriting. And kung okay na, click this. And kung gusto mong lagyan ng animation, click this. And choose ka lang dito. Anong gusto mo? And kung nakapili ka na, click mo lang ito. And kung gusto mong mag-voice recording, click mo lang ang voice. And then, click start. Pag tapos na, click mo lang ang stop. And kung gusto mong i-adjust ang volume, ito lang ang i-click mo. That's all for today, guys, and I hope may natutunan kayo. And for more videos, just click subscribe and tap the bell. Thank you!